Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bhargavi. If you're new here, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you can watch my video every week. Again, I'm going to show you guys another Indian festival look, how to get ready for Durga Puja, and this video for beginners. For today's makeup, I want to keep it very simple, natural looking and suitable for both day and night prayers. Ideally traditional Indian look with simple eye makeup but thick eyeliner. Without wasting time, let's straight jump into the tutorial. 20 minutes ago, I already applied moisturizer. The one I use today is from CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. I applied this moisturizer all over my face and neck. And I also done my eyebrows off camera. The product I use is from Maybelline Fashion Brows. For today's makeup, I'm going to start off with eye makeup. First, I'm taking this orange corrector from MAC Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette in medium deep and apply on my eyes before moving to Loreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer in shade Beige, code 314 as my eye base. I use the applicator which comes with the concealer to apply the concealer on my eyes and start blending it with my fingers. Once done with the blending on both eyes, I'm going to set the concealer using some translucent setting powder. The product I'm using today is from L'Oreal Paris Translucent Setting Powder. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this orange eyeshadow from Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach Eyeshadow Palette. As I promised, I'm going to keep it very simple. So I'm just going to use one shade on my eyes. I'm taking this shade with a larger blending brush and apply all over my eyes. At times, I'm just going to take little product and continue to blend until I'm happy with the intensity. Next, I'm going to highlight my brow bones. The product I'm using today is from Maybelline Master Crew Metallic Highlighter. Next, we are moving to draw eyeliner, but before we start, I'm going to place a small sticky tape at the corner of my eyes to get a sharp wing eyeliner. The product I'm using today is from Silky Perfect Matte Liquid Eyeliner. I'm starting to draw a thin eyeliner from the middle of my eyes, then I start drawing the eyeliner from center of my eyes until the outer corner, then from inner corner jointing to the center line. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to explain here by looking into the video. Once done drawing the first eyeliner, I'm going to draw another thin eyeliner on top of the first line, and I'm going to repeat this process until I'm happy with the thickness of the eyeliner. Next, for my primer, I'm going to use a Fasali Skin Tune Blur. I'm just going to apply some product on my face and tap all over my face, and not forgetting your neck. Going back to the same color corrector, and I'm start applying it under my eyes and to cover my dark spots. And I just use my fingers to blend the color corrector, pushing the product into my skin. For my foundation, I'm using this one is from L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear in code 250 shade Radiant Sand. I just apply it on my face and neck before blending it with a damp beauty blender. Take your time to blend the foundation, no rush at all. Personally, I prefer to use a damp beauty blender whenever I use color corrector underneath rather than using a foundation brush. This is because the bristles of the foundation brush can actually pull off or disturb the color corrector underneath and mix with your foundation and causing your face look orange. I have shared this a lot of times in my video, but if you're new here, I'm sharing one more time for you guys. Next, I'm going back to the same concealer which we use as our eye base and apply under my eyes, forehead, bridge of my nose, chin, and also little amount on the dark spot. Then I'm using the same damp beauty blender to blend the concealer. While I'm doing with the concealer, you can share with me how you're going to celebrate this year Deepavali in the comment box and what are the preparations you have done so far. done with the blending, next I'm going to contour my face with LA Pro concealer in shade Toast, and I'm going to use the same damn beauty blender to blend the cream contour. Guys, if you do not have a cream contour product, no worries, you can even use powder contour. It's just we going to use the powder contour after we set and seal the base makeup with some loose or translucent powder. Guys, if you plan to recreate this look but you do not have the product whichever I'm using in this tutorial, no problem. You can use whatever product you have in hand, not necessarily to use whatever product I'm using. You can use substitute product as long you manage to get the similar look. Once done with the blending, for the cream contour, I'm quickly going to set my face with translucent powder. Again, I'm using L'Oreal Paris translucent setting powder. I'm just applying the powder on the areas which I applied concealer earlier. I'm bringing the same powder to set the foundation on my neck. To set and seal the base makeup, I'm using Urban Decay the Sleek Setting Spray. Now let's go back to the eye makeup. I'm taking the same shade we apply on the eyelid under my lower lashes using a small pencil brush. For my blusher today, I'm taking this shade from Smashbox Cali Kiss Highlight and Blush Palette. Next, I'm taking L'Oreal Paris Infallible Gel Crayon in black to tighten up both upper and lower waterline. Then I'm taking MAC Cosmetic Black Gel Eyeliner and draw eyeliner very close to my lower lashes. I'm using a angle brush to draw the gel eyeliner under my lower lashes. Guys, the upcoming step is totally optional. If you guys are watching my video or following me for quite some time, you guys know how much I love shimmer and glitter eyeshadow. So I'm going back to the same eyeshadow palette and taking this shimmer gold eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply in my inner corners. So this step is totally optional. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. Today I'm using Big Eye Mascara from Silky Girl before we move to the next step. Include my video how to apply mascara in the description bar. Please go and check that video too. I'm going back to the same highlighter which we used to highlight the brow bones, and just gonna apply on the highest point of my face using a fan brush. And guys, please ignore the messy hair. Later I will just fix it. Guys, if you plan to recreate this look or any of my previous look, please don't forget to tag me in my social media. I will provide all my social links in the description bar. I'll also include whatever products I used in this tutorial. I would love to see your work. Off camera, I put on my sari, bindi and a pair of gold jhumka. For my hair, I want something traditional, so I keep it simple, low sleek bun with center partition. To add some drama, I decorate the hair with some fresh orange marigold flower. Finally, for my lipstick, I go with a red lipstick from Sephora in code 01. So guys, this is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed this week tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, share my video, leave your comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. This will be very useful for the growth of my channel. And I will see you guys with a brand new tutorial next week. Signing off, Bhargavi. Love you all.